Hello everyone. Now today we learn about Macau Picchu is an UNESCO World Heritage Site officially designated in 1983 as historic century of Macau Picchu. It is recognized for the both cultural and natural significance. Now we know about Macau Picchu as a World Heritage Site. Its location Cusco region, Peru at altitude of 2430 meters, and we talk about how its height from the sea level is 7972. Designation UNESCO World Heritage Site since 1983. Its criteria was listed under a mixed criteria, first, third, fourth, and ninth, meaning it's valued for both cultural and Inca civilization and natural environments, Andean and Amazon biodiversity. Now we will know about the official names of Macau Picchu. Historic Century of Macau Picchu. Management overseen by the Peruvian Ministry of Culture with strict visitors regulation to protect the sites. Now we will learn about cultural importance. Built around 1450 to 1470 by Inca civilization, Macau Picchu is considered one of the most extraordinary urban creations of the Inca Empire. Its stone architecture, walls, terraces, and ramps was constructed with mortar, yet fits so preciously that even a knife blade cannot pass between the stones. It includes temple, residences, agriculture, terraces, and ceremonial spaces, showing the Inca mastery of engineering and spirituality. Now we know about the natural significance about this location. Located at the eastern slope of Andes, Macau Picchu sits in a tropical mountain rainforest with the upper Amazon basin home to diverse flora and fauna. The sanctuary protects endangered species, unique ecosystem, making it not just an archaeological treasure but also biodiversity hotspot. Now we know about why UNESCO protect it. Then understand universal values. Macau Picchu represent the peak of Inca achievements in architecture, engineering, and cultural development. Why conservation needs heavy tourism and environmental pressure required strict management to preserve its integrity. UNESCO status ensure internal supports and monitoring. Now thank you.